Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing well. This is Abdul and you're watching again another unboxing video from me. So as you can expect from this channel, you will find a lot of unboxings and most of them will be vintage watches, and this is another vintage watch, so it's not an exception. So my booker will start by opening the package. Just took the package slip out, so the names could be anonymous, as we don't want to get the names of our sellers or anything like that online, privacy and so on. So here we go, and oh, very well packed, really good. Here, what do we have here? So by the way, I'm wearing my G-Shock, and we have a 1935 Stowa Manual wind vintage watch, really beautiful, champagne dial and blued hands. The watch comes with this this weird strap, which I would definitely change because it's not even the right size. So I'll just take this watch off my hand, put this one on my hand. As you can see, it's I think it's 33 millimeters, but I'm not sure. Looks really nice. Let me get near to it. A really nice watch. So if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, please do leave a comment, like, subscribe for more of these videos, and if you have any recommendations, any ideas about any videos, please do leave them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to do them. See you on the next one. Bye bye.